Hi guys, it's me, Lolita of Healthoverlength. Thank you for clicking on my video. Tonight I'm going to do something that I haven't done in quite a while. It is an unboxing video. I ordered something from Oyins Handmade and Hydratherma Naturals. I know I posted on my Instagram when Hydratherma Naturals was having a sale. I can't remember if I posted when Oyins was having a sale. If I did not, I'm really sorry. However, if you're not following me over there and you would like to stay abreast of these sales, please go ahead. My Instagram is Healthoverlength, just like the YouTube. But without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first package is from Oyen Handmade, and I ordered this. Today is Tuesday and I just got this package today. I got my Hydratherma Naturals like Saturday, I think, because they are here in the Atlanta, Georgia area with me, so that came really quickly. So I can't really remember when I ordered this Oyens. At the most it's maybe been a week, but not very long. So we're gonna cut into the box, and what I ordered was, I know everybody remember this, juices and berries. So I got juices and berries. I also ordered hairdo. I know everyone is very familiar with hairdo as well. And I purchased, now I've never used this before, I purchased a honey wash hydrating shampoo. If you guys have used this before, go ahead and comment down below and let me know how you like it or how you didn't like it. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully my hair will like it. And then I also went ahead and got the honey hemp detangling conditioner. And then I also purchased Shine and Define Gentle Styling Serum. And the last thing that I have in here is the Burnt Sugar Shine and Seal Pomade. So I know everyone remembers this as well. And then I know right now, if you guys have watched any of my Black Girl Curl videos, you're thinking like, wait, you're not supposed to be using oils and butters. Pump your brakes, okay? I'm just playing. Well, if you join Season Curls and not just go on the plethora of videos that is on here now, what you really learn, and if you join Season Curls and you also do the detox, what you realize is that the oils and the butters is not needed, but you also learn how to clean them off your hair should you decide to use them, which is very important. So I have used both of these in the past and I like them. So because I did the 30-day hair detox does not say that from here on out to eternity I can no longer use oils and butters. What it tells me is, I know that when I use oils and butters that I am going to have to go in and cleanse my hair. I also know now, because I joined Season Curls, is that this honey wash hydrating shampoo is not going to be effective enough to remove this oil and butter. When I use these products, what I will have to do is go in with a clarifying shampoo to get all of this off of my hair, and then follow up with the honey wash, because I would be stepping my shampoos down the pH scale, and then I can condition and I can go ahead and apply everything else. So that's my little spiel on, wait, Lolita, you shouldn't be having the oil and the butter. Yeah, I am. We're gonna open up the second box, and this second box is from Hydratherma Naturals. I don't know if you guys have heard of them. They have been around for a while. The first time I used Hydratherma Naturals was when I went natural. I went natural January 2010. Really? I went natural December 15th, 2009. But just to have a even number, I just say January 2010 because, you know, I got an even number. But the first time I used Hydratherma Naturals was in 2010, maybe 11. And I used everything they had at the time. They have since added to their collection, but at the time I used their shampoo, their conditioner, their leave-in, it's a hair growth lotion. I think they had a hair growth oil at the time, and my hair didn't like it. Or I don't know. I might revisit, but I did not buy those because from what I remember, my hair didn't like it. So that's not what I purchased. But I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box. I did go ahead and indulge in other products that I have not used. Okay, so I purchased. I've never used these before. They have a foaming sea silk curly styler, so they have a mousse. So I got the mousse, and then they also have a botanical defining gel. I got that, and then they have the aloe curl enhancing twisting cream. I got that as well. So I can't wait to try. Ooh. That's thick, so that's not gonna come out like the Shine and Define did. So I got that. And then the last thing I got 3 of. I've never used these, okay, but whenever you use something like this, you want to use it for 3 months to gauge whether or not it's beneficial for you. So what I purchased was the Hydratherma Naturals Hair Growth Plus Vitamin. That's what I got. And I'm gonna kind of leave that up on this screen so you guys can see the ingredients. And let's see. The I dropped that one. The ingredients say biotin at 5,000 mcg. There we go. I think that's better, right? So biotin at 5,000 mcg. Hold on, guys. Hey. All right, guys. Sorry, my husband called me. So what I was trying to do is let you guys look at the hair, skin, and nail vitamin bottle as I look at my bottle. And then I'm also trying to like hold my phone because I can't see this bottle. But so those are the ingredients. 5,000 milligrams of biotin. It also has MSM, silica, keratin, hydrolyzed collagen, and what is that? 25%? What they say? 28 active ingredients, non-GMO formula, and then I have 60 tablets, to which you are to take 2 tablets per day. So I got 3 bottles because, like I said, any type of supplement that you take, you do want to give it 3 months, 90 days to see its effectiveness. Of course, if you develop any type of allergic reaction to anything, then you stop taking it immediately. However, if you don't have an allergic reaction, you do want to take any type of supplement at least 90 days to see any effects. So I have these. I'm not going to start taking these quite yet because I have some hair, skin, and nail vitamins that I'm currently taking, and I probably have at least 2 months worth left of those. So what I will do is when I start taking these, I will post it on my Instagram, and I will do like a little hair growth thing to see. That's something I typically really don't do because, like I said, I think hair is going to grow, but hair is going to grow anyway. but just to see, I guess maybe we can. But so if you're not following my Instagram, go ahead and do so, because like I said, when I start taking these, I will post it and I will track it. What I will do is make sure I take these, make sure I drink my water. I will probably at least do 32 ounces a day. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna do a gallon of water. 32 is even stretching it, but and I'll do that for 90 days. I won't say I'm gonna do a protective style, because I can't do a protective style for 90 days. That's not how I roll. I have now had these braids in my hair for 2 weeks. Well, tomorrow, which is Wednesday, will officially be 2 weeks, and Lolita is over these braids. I'm so ready to take them out. Y'all see my little fuzzies. But I had to go somewhere today. It looked much worse this morning, but I had to go somewhere, and what actually helped them look really nice is I put a bunch of mousse on them, and then I tied them down, and then when the mousse dried, my hair, it didn't look as frizzy. So I think I could go ahead and probably stretch these to 2 more weeks, because I wanted to do 4 weeks. However, I know myself, and I said, okay, at least get 2 weeks out of them. So tomorrow is my 2 weeks, which I have my permission to take them down at that point. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. But so my next video, once I take these down, would you guys like me to go ahead and use the Hydratherma Naturals products? And I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to use these yet. Of course, the botanical gel, this will be for a wash and go. Of course, the mousse can be for a wash and go or for a twist out. And then of course we have the curl enhancing twisting cream. This will be used for a wash and go or a twist out too. So I haven't made up my mind combination what I'm gonna do, but comment down below and let me know. Y'all know my styling cream went all over my stuff. Look at it, it's still a lot of this. Look, jeez. Anyway, like I said, I was gonna save this stuff for the winter. However, if you guys would like for me to do a TWA 2-strand twist out using the Oyins or using the Hydratherma Naturals, please comment down below. Let me know which one of these you guys would be interested in me testing, and also let me know if you want me to test it for a wash and go, or if you want me to test it for a 2-strand twist. Of course, the honey hemp will be 2-strand twist, not wash and go. But just let me know. Let me know Oyen 2-strand twist or Hydratherma Naturals 2-strand twist or wash and go. And the first person that comments down below to let me know which one they want me to do is the one that I will do, okay? So I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys later.